equals the blades on your Thermomix TM31 are making a terrible noise. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise usually means the blades are dull or damaged, preventing them from cutting effectively. We can replace the blades and get your Thermomix back to normal. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.